Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one, we're going to look at child mortality. Now, there's an awful lot of tables in this one, so I'm not going to go into each one, but I'll just show you a few examples. So this one, by ethnic and gestation age. You can see the sort of data and the level of detail. So there's no geography level there, so that is the totals. But there's all sorts here. Age and kids. You can see from the measures, you'd have to really have a look yourself to get a really good idea. Awful lot to go through though. Residential, where they lived. Let's have a look at this one. By the area of residency. And again, various different measures. Huge data set. Click the link in the description to get 30 days free access to this and thousands of other tables of stats data and have a little play. Thanks.